Well, you can turn the TV off or down.
I don't know what this one is. Get it. That's not my bear book.
Oh, cool.
What is it?
A bear book.
Oh, cool.
Put it with the
Yeah.
other book?
Let's see, Brayden. Do you need help? There you go.
I'm gonna put it in this one, yeah. And
Thank you.
I love this one.
What is it?
Elmo something.
Here, Braden.
Look at it. It's binoculars or something.
Another one.
Here, we're going to see what Brooks got here. Let's look at Brooks. Yeah, there's Brooks. What is this, Brooks? A 3D glitter kit. Wow.
What is that? Let's see it. Another color stuff? Ooh,
Cool.
it's got glitter and stuff you can put on it. Cool.
Is this mine?